So this is how you can activate daily eSIM on the iPhone, and let me show you how it works. If this is your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So essentially, I've been using the eSIM, the travel SIM cards, for quite a while, right? And you can actually install it in 3 different ways. So here's an app which I randomly used for that. There are more apps which can get the job done, but you can see that there are 3 ways to install it. There's the automatic way, QR code, and manual. So I've almost always installed it automatically. So this basically lets you just use one-click solution, but the prerequisite is that you need a stable Wi-Fi internet connection. And in many cases, it's not really the possibility if you are, already in a different country or, you don't have internet. That's why you're getting the SIM card. So, it's not the only way, but if you have the Wi-Fi, you can just click that, install and activate it, confirm it a few times, and then you're basically going to be good to go. But the second option is the QR code, which you receive either, in like your message or email when you purchased. And then it just means that you can open up the settings, go to the cellular section and click on add eSIM. And you can notice that it goes almost immediately to the QR code, right? So you can see that is the place to scan the QR code, which you have received from the provider. So that is another way. And you can also notice that there is also the manual approach, and this basically gives you some activation codes and some different addresses, and that is also found when you go to the add eSIM section and when you go to the enter details manually, and this is where you can paste the codes which you have received. So that is, I guess, another way to do it. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to activate it for yourself. For now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.